Are you taking the OET exam soon? Want to know how to prepare? Then watch this videos where I give you my top 5 tips for the OET exam and be ready to pass. Let's go! Hello, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses. We are OET premium preparation providers, which means you are in the right place to pass your OET exam. Be sure to check out our website. We've got a range of preparation courses to help you and be ready to ace that exam. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you're the first person to know when we upload a new video. Let's get started. Top tip 1, prepare. You need time. Don't start preparing a week before your exam. You need time to learn the format, learn and practice the strategies, and improve your skills. Have classes with an OET teacher if you can. Learn with us and your teacher will be able to guide you through the exam, show you how to use the strategies, and help you identify and improve your weaknesses. Get feedback. Without feedback, it is hard to know where you need to improve. Getting feedback from an OET teacher for writing and speaking will help you improve those areas. And feedback from a teacher can help you understand if you are test ready or what you need to do to become test ready. Preparing for the OET exam while working, running a household and family is difficult, so you need to manage your time. Create a study plan. This will help you focus your self-study on key areas and help you use your time effectively. Watch playlists on YouTube. We have got lots of great playlists for all 4 of the skills. Focus on your weaknesses. Be careful though, there is a lot of OET material on YouTube and not all of it is effective study material. So make sure you only watch videos accredited by OET or stick to the OET official channel. Another way to prepare is to use our writing correction service. You will get detailed feedback on your writing and see how high you score against the OET criteria. Or why not book a practice test? See what it's like to take the OET exam and get personalised feedback on your writing and speaking. Top tip number 2, improve your general English. As well as learning about the format and strategies of the exam, you need to make sure that you have the right level of English in order to get the grades that you need. So it's important to improve your general English as well. Let's have a look. Increase your range of vocabulary. Improve your grammar. One idea is to create a list of your common errors and how they should be expressed correctly. Use vocabulary and structures in example sentences in lots of different contexts. Don't forget to review your notes regularly. Top tip 3, research the 12 professions. In the OET reading and listening paper, you might get material based on any of the 12 professions, so it's important to prepare for this. Read articles online for a range of professions. You can also use OET sample papers and analyse them for useful language relating to the 12 professions. Listening A is particularly good for this. Build up a bank of common phrases for each profession and learn the spelling. Top tip 4, improve your skills. Time and time again, I come across students who've only prepared for the OET exam using practice papers and they didn't pass. Don't limit yourself to only using practice papers. It is not enough. You need to develop your skills and language ability as well as your exam technique. If you want to improve your speaking, speak a lot. If you want to improve your writing, develop your skills for writing. And for reading and listening, you should read and listen. Read extensively using a variety of sources. Create a list of language to express attitude and opinion, cause and effect, linking phrases, etc. Practice reading longer texts on unfamiliar topics to improve your ability to deal with this. And develop your knowledge of vocabulary used in academic style texts. Listen extensively to medical talks and podcasts. Listen and make notes on the structure and main ideas. Listen out for signposting phrases to help keep your place. Here are some useful websites for improving your reading skills. And here are some good places to go to improve your listening. And why not check out our OET Preparation Course for Medicine and Nursing? As well as exam practice exercises and mock tests, the course contains pages of material to help you develop your skills for all 4 papers, essential for passing the OET exam. And top tip 5 is evaluate. When you do an OET practice paper, don't just see how many answers you get correct, put it aside and move on to the next one. Evaluate your performance in the practice paper. Understand your errors. Why was it option B and not C? Discover your weak areas so you can focus on them in your study time. Evaluate how well you managed your time. What will you do differently next time? Evaluate your writing and speaking against the criteria. One idea is to create a checklist using the criteria as a guide. Which areas do you need to improve? Or better still, get an experienced OET teacher to evaluate your work. Okay, so let's recap my top 5 tips for the OET exam. Tip 1, prepare. Tip 2, improve your general English. Tip 3, research the 12 professions. Tip 4, improve your skills. And tip 5, evaluate. Which of the 12 professions are you? And what are your top tips for preparing for OET? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our preparation courses on our website, link below, and see how we can help you ace your OET exam. We've got loads of great videos coming up every week with the best tips and strategies around, so don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye! Are you taking the OET exam this year? That's it! Top tip number 2. Improve your general English. Yeah? Woo! That's the first time I've ever done it. Which of the 12 professions are you? And what are your top tips for preparing for the OET? Oh gosh, I'm still recording.